Welcome back, I'm Ernest with UpFix. Here in front of me, I have a taillight for a GMC Yukon. I'll be discussing the issues with this particular model, what models it affects, and what you can do about it in order to restore functionality. So these specific taillights can be found in the Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierras from the years 2015 to 2020. They're on the 1500, 2500, and even the 3500 models. Due to poor manufacturing designs, there are metal tap connectors that are prone to breaking, which causes the brake LED lights to fail inside. This LED lighting issue can occur on both the driver and the passenger side taillight. Sometimes one goes out while the other one still works just fine, or they both start to fail around the same time. We go through the back and address those weak points by adding braided wire inside that ensures there's no more connectivity issues, and test the taillight after repairs to ensure it's working properly. Now, there are other alternatives like buying aftermarket taillights that have a different design inside, or if you're like me who prefers OEM styling, buying a used one isn't a guarantee that'll work without issues or that it hasn't been tampered with already. Used ones from the junkyard can cost $400+ and from the dealer even more than that. Our repair service is a fraction of that cost and ensures your OEM taillight is working like it should. Keep in mind that a taillight repair service is priced for a single taillight repair. So if you'd like to have both of your taillights refurbished, make sure to select 2 repair services when sending it in. If you're interested in this repair service, visit our website UpFix.com. Select your year, make, and model. From there, you'll find the taillight service repair page. Carefully pack your part and mail it in. Our certified UpFix repair technicians will repair your part and keep you up to date along each step of the repair process. If you like this video and would like to see more like this, make sure to hit that like, subscribe button, leave your questions down in the comments below, and thanks for watching.